All right, I wanted to address this comment. Can you inform us about the U.S. RAP update, which is the U.S. Refugee Admissions Program update? Now, admittedly, as a private attorney, we don't actually deal a lot with the U.S. Refugee Admissions Program, and this is because this is normally done outside of the United States with coordinating agencies, even the United Nations, embassies abroad, and private attorneys usually don't come in until the individual's already entered to the United States. And so at that point, they have approval for permanent residency, and later they might want to naturalize, but as private attorneys, at least me, I don't see tons of individuals outside of the United States who are entering with the U.S. Refugee Admissions Program just because they already have assistance in their home countries. That being said, I can talk to you about what I know, but I am by no means, an expert, okay? On January 20th, President Trump signed an executive order essentially pausing, all refugee admissions programs. It's a suspension, and it's pending a complete review of its refugee admissions and processes and whether it aligns with the government's priorities. There's also been huge funding freezes that affect refugee resettlement organizations across the country, and some that I've made note of here are Interfaith Ministries in Houston, which assists newly arrived refugees, and in Massachusetts, refugee resettlement groups are owed millions of dollars from the federal government. There's also proposed travel restrictions, the Muslim ban that we keep hearing about. And this already happened during Trump 1.0, where refugee admissions from individuals in that list of countries that were part of the Muslim ban were completely, stopped and paused. And that means that even people who had passed security vetting already and were just awaiting travel had their cases suspended indefinitely under the first Trump administration. And it is possible that that can happen again. Refugee cases are processed over a really long time, months or even years. And so if a new travel ban does present itself and that prevents new arrivals, those cases are going to sit in limbo or just expire. So clearly, either way, though, there are going to be legal challenges. We can foresee this, just like there were during Trump 1.0 that, upheld the travel ban in some respects, but then, limited it in other respects. The Refugee Act of 1980 gives the president broad authority to set refugee admissions limits, okay? However, there could be congressional action taken, or, it could still process refugees from countries not included in the travel ban. So we'll see. Things to watch out for are an official announcement of a new travel ban and, court challenges and exemptions to that.